Hey everyone, I'm Ms. Cochran, the Warrant Officer Strength Manager for the South Carolina Army National Guard. I'm here with Chief Holloway today, and I wanted to talk to you about a few basic qualifications in order to become a warrant officer. So you're going to need a 110 GT. You need to be able to pass a Phase 2 commissioning physical. You have to appoint by your 46th birthday, and you also have to meet the prerequisites outlined for each individual branch. For instance, some may require college credits, some may not. So I can work with you individually to determine what you need for each branch. But today, most importantly, I'm here to have Chief Holloway tell you about what it's like to be a maintenance warrant. So Chief Holloway?
So I'm CW3 Holloway. I'm with 742nd OCC. Today, I'm here to kind of give you a little rundown on what to expect as a maintenance warrant officer. You will be the connecting piece between the enlisted and the officer ranks. They will expect you to know where to go to find their answers to their specific needs. You will be the subject matter expert in your branch. So they expect you to know maintenance like the back of your hand. If you are at the point of wanting to commission into a warrant officer rank, now is the time to go ahead and get with Ms. Cochran to start working your pieces that you need fulfilled.